Hello students, welcome to another lesson presented by the Learning Depot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. And though they look similar, their usage is different. A possessive pronoun replaces a noun, and a possessive adjective modifies a noun. In this lesson, you will look at them side by side, and you'll also have a chance to practice what you know by taking a short quiz. Let's begin. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives can be easily confused as both refer to possession, but their usage is quite different. Possessive pronouns are also called absolute possessive pronouns because they do not need to be used alongside a noun. They are independent of the noun because they replace the noun or the noun phrase. Possessive adjectives, also called possessive determiners, look very similar to possessive pronouns. But unlike possessive pronouns, which are used to replace the noun or the noun phrase, the possessive adjective does not replace a noun. It is placed before the noun to modify it by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. Both possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives can perform 5 functions in a clause: the subject, subject complement, direct object, indirect object, and object of the preposition. Before we go on, let's do a quick review and compare all the pronouns and the possessive adjectives side by side. Let's look at the subject pronouns, the object pronouns, the possessive pronouns, the possessive adjectives, and let's indicate their person and number. Let's look at an example of a possessive pronoun acting as a subject complement, a direct object, an indirect object, and the object of a preposition, also referred to as a prepositional complement. Let's start with mine. Suppose you have a car and your car is white. You would say, "Mine is the white car." Now sometimes you will hear native speakers say, "Mine's the white car." This does not mean that mine can have an apostrophe s as a possessive. This is a contracted form of mine is. Your car is red, mine's white. Be careful with this. Let's go on to the subject complement. The white car is mine. Remember, don't say the white car is mine's. It does not need an apostrophe s. As a direct object, your car is nice, but I like mine better. As an indirect object, you got new tires for your car. I got mine a stereo system. And as the object of the preposition, this car of mine has taken me many places. Let's contrast this with the possessive adjective. We'll use my. Let's stay on the subject of the car. My is the possessive adjective modifying car. As the subject, my car is white. As a subject complement, the white one is my car. As a direct object, I leased my car at the dealership. As an indirect object, I got my car some new hubcaps. And as the object of the preposition, don't eat food in my car. Let's go on and look at some more examples side by side. Now you'll have a chance to show what you know by taking a short quiz. How did you do? Make sure you go back to the video to review the parts that you didn't understand. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll be sure to answer them. And before you go, please take a moment to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!